This creator was stuck at 2.5 grand a month. She was posting every single day, but just wasn't growing and nothing was changing. Fast forward 60 days later, she's earning over 10k a month. She's getting 7 million views on Instagram and she is finally growing. Same creator, same face, same smile, everything was the same. The only difference is the system that was built behind her. If you're posting every day and you're still stuck, I'm going to be walking you through the exact play that we did for this creator from start to finish. If you don't know me, I'm Jasmine and I run a female-led agency for the girlies and I help creators scale past 10k a month. So I'm going to explain how throughout this whole video, so keep watching. Okay, so as you can see from my screen, this creator was getting around $2,900 a month before she joined us, and after 60 days we got her up to $13,000 a month, and that's incredible. By the time she found us, she'd had enough. She felt like she wasn't growing and she just didn't know what to do because she felt like she was trying everything. So she was posting every day, doing the work, and the views just never moved. Her old agency had her on trending sounds and basic videos. There was no real plan, no strategy, and no fundamentals. She was getting around 200,000 views in 30 days, so that was for the whole of March. And after all that effort, she just thought, this isn't right, this isn't enough, you know. She felt like giving up. She started to believe that this was as good as it was going to get, and that's the bit that gets me because it wasn't true. Here's the thing though, her content was never the problem. Two things were missing, and it's the same two for nearly every creator stuck where she was. Number one, there's no hook at the start. The first 3 seconds is basically 70% of whether someone watches. No hook, no views. Number two, there was no real editing or pacing. If the edit drags, they're gone before your best bit. And nobody was reading her data, leaning into her personality, or testing what actually worked. It was just the wrong team, the wrong systems, so she flatlined. She felt like there was nothing else that she could do. So we did what we do with every creator. We installed the Pyros Viral Growth Engine, as you can see here. So we run that across all of our creators, but I'm gonna run through exactly what we did from start to finish. So first of all, we get the account infrastructure right. Make sure it's safe, make sure it's verified, make sure it's set up so it can actually grow without getting flagged. This is massive for OF girls. It's a whole video on its own. Comment below if you want me to cover this because yeah, it's extremely important. So her main account became a machine. So what we do is we post 3 to 5 reels a day, sometimes more. This is so we can find the winning verticals. So in her case, we found out that it was Omegle, talking heads, and personalized verticals with hooks at the beginning. These are the winning reels, and basically we rerun each video as a lottery ticket for extra reach. But there is a system in place for this because you can't be posting the same content over and over again. Instagram will not like that. You'll get flagged for duplication and you could possibly get your account suspended. So be careful. The actual system that we use, we basically edit the videos so that the metadata changes, and then we can repost the same videos over and over again. Again, with precaution, you do not want to get the account flagged. So as you can see here, a lot of the big reels were getting 1 million, 230k, 799k, which is amazing. So those same videos we then put into trial reels to get extra reach. On top of that, then we've got daily stories, so she's always present, always warm, and there's a personality being shown on the page. It's extremely important. And here I've got a little screenshot of one of the biggest reels on the account, which got 2 million or 2.5 million views, and it's still growing every single day. So the beauty with trial reels is it goes out to non-followers constantly. You're not hitting the same old followers that follow you, you are hitting a new audience every time. And honestly, this is the cheat code. This is the cheat code. Maybe I should do a whole video on this, just comment below. And then on top of the main Instagram account, we always repurpose the content. There's no point posting one piece of content once on one platform. That content can get repurposed across other platforms. For example, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, X, there's also Reddit, there's so many other platforms. But for this particular creator, YouTube, the last 28 days got 200k, 300 hours of watch time. I haven't got the TikTok analytics to hand, but again, TikTok is great for views, especially when you've got your winning pieces of content. And then we've got Facebook, which is underrated. 3.8 million views in the last 30 days, which is actually insane. So yeah, repurposing content is something that I value very highly. It gets so much reach, engagement, and it just helps to push all the accounts, and the account infrastructure grows altogether, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, so what did 60 days actually look like? Zoom my page in. Okay, so we got 14,000 followers within 60 days and 6.8 million views on Instagram alone. So as you can see, that was just the last 30 days metrics. The account is safe, it's verified, video selfie verified, which is really important. The chatters are working extremely hard. They have got customs being booked in left, right and center. And the money went from 2.5 grand to over 10K a month, which is actually insane. And like I said, it's the same girl, the same face. The only thing that changed was the system behind her. And this is what I love about my job, is that there's so many girlies out there that are not realizing their worth. They're not realizing how well they can actually do, and they just haven't got the right team behind them. And honestly, when I take on these girlies and I just change and transform their entire world, it is amazing to see. Like, I get so fulfilled when this happens. Anyway, this video is not about me. Real quick, because I get asked a lot, is this gonna work for you? So this is for you if you post consistently, you're coachable, you let us drive the strategy, and you're in it for real, not just chasing overnight money. If that's you, the only thing between you and her results is a system. If you want quick money, or you won't post, or blame everyone but yourself, we're honestly not gonna be the team for you, and that's okay. We're not for everyone. There is no catch. The guarantee is 1 million+ views a month, or you keep every accounting system we built you, plus 30 days of free consulting. You walk away anytime on 48 hours notice. So if you're a creator stuck under 20K a month and you're guessing what is working, you're posting consistently and nothing is growing, comment the word audit and I will personally audit your account and just tell you where you're missing out, where it's going wrong, why your views are slacking, and you can get some value from me for free. There is no obligations. I'm just a girl out here supporting other girls, and I want you to thrive just as much. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got a ton of value from it. Please comment below if you did, or let me know what you want to see on the next couple of videos, whether it's a trial reel strategy or anything else that I've mentioned in this video. Just comment it below. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and help a girl out. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.